Right, you're in the middle. You're on this side. No, further over. Not that way. A little bit further. And come forward. Yes, there we go.
Yay!
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Merry Vlogmas!
And a dog.
And happy birthday. We have
Oh,
a
yes.
Suze.
Yes.
We have a Suze. Yeah, so it's actually dark outside. Mum's been out all morning and afternoon getting her hair did. We did. You'll be hearing about that later. We've been filming bits and pieces without you.
Yes.
But
And we've been sleuthing.
we have. We sleuthed.
Yeah.
We sleuthed.
Difficult sleuthing today.
Yes.
Was it?
We
Well,
got.
you ended up
It
with
wasn't
the
obvious,
answer.
which
But
we
the
got
answer
right.
was a foreign language, and unless you had knowledge of a foreign language,
It looked incorrect.
it looked incorrect, and so we kept checking ourselves.
Yeah.
And in the end, we looked up the word online,
Yes.
and
then
it
it all
was
went,
correct.
"Ah!"
And it's like, oh yes,
Yeah.
here we go.
So tomorrow's clue.
That doesn't look too bad, actually, does it?
You're looking for a total of 20 letters. We can do this. It'll be fine.
Yes, I know, but there's a
Yeah, a map.
Well, that's what it's just. It actually.
easy.
Yeah.
3 left,
It
2
says-
right, 1 up.
Yeah.
Yours is
Ah,
still
they come!
in Leeds.
Oh,
Yeah.
Liz.
And of course, there's no post today because the postmen are on strike.
Yes. Which is very
Arr.
But we love our postman.
Yeah, he's a nice guy.
really nice.
Do you know he's still wearing shorts?
Yeah.
They always
Despite-
do.
Whoa, what is it with postmen and shorts?
I don't know.
Blue.
Yeah.
It's a pretty blue too.
Now,
It's
blue's my
lovely.
colour. Did you notice my
So
eyes
lovely.
twinkle when that went
Yeah.
up?
Yeah.
We've got Mum in a box.
Mum in the box, yeah.
Yeah.
So I'm looking for day 10. I mean, technically this is actually the 9th, but we are looking for day 10. Susie's now getting completely underfoot. That's 20. Oh, 10. Found it. Found it. Oh, it's squishy. Oh, it looks like lace as well. Oh. Yes.
Ooh.
Oh, that is pretty. Oh. No faces. There we go. That is very pretty. Thank you. I have no idea what I'm going to do with that, but I like it. Thank you very much. So yeah, we're off out this evening. Well, I mean, there's going to be a lot of waffle between this and the yeah.
We're going for a ruby.
Yes.
Not everyone will know that.
Ruby Murray curry. That's Cockney rhyming slang, right?
That's correct.
Well,
Yeah.
I don't know if it's original Cockney rhyming
Yes,
slang, but
yes it is. Ruby Murray, yes.
Yes, that's where we're off to this evening. But in between that, there's all of this next lot for you to enjoy.
Oh, want me? Is my hair done?
Yes.
Good enough.
Yes.
'Tis me. Only me.
To you,
Ah,
happy birthday.
is this happening now?
No.
To you, happy birthday. Oh my god, that's up to you. Do that again. I think that's nice. I'm actually now. Actually, you're looking for good. Happy birthday.
Oh dear.
I did my best effort. Come on.
Yeah, that was very good. Round of applause. Please let me put that in Vlogmas.
Oh
Sorry, I
dear.
missed your day. I've got to go away and do other stuff. You know, it's all good. But I shall see you in the future. Come to Malaysia soon. Come on, come over here. It'll be great.
Yep.
I love you to bits.
Awesome.
Thank you.
And now, do you want to say Merry Vlogmas?
No, not really.
He was worried he couldn't get hold of you yesterday, and that he wasn't going to be able to
Yeah.
call you today. So yeah.
That was brilliant.
I wanted to show you that this morning when you got your presents, but my computer has been playing up and wouldn't turn on. So yes. But yeah, this is the first thing we're filming today. But Mum is currently out having her hair did, so
Yep,
we're going
hair
to do
done.
hair did.
Hair did.
We're going to do calendars.
No,
and
it'll be
stuff.
did when she's done.
Right, okay.
Yeah,
We're going to
okay.
do calendars when she gets back. Fingers crossed hers arrives.
Yep.
I haven't checked the Royal Mail listing yet to see.
No.
if it's actually...
Yeah, they won't be here for about an hour yet. I'm waiting on a parcel as well. But it's all been put up in the air, hasn't it?
We've got it! Tracking history. Still looks like it's in Leeds.
That won't be here today.
No.
No. Mine was with them tail end of last month.
Yeah.
And it's still not here.
Yeah.
Oh,
Never mind.
how
Right,
annoying.
we're going to solve the beer quiz.
We're going to do the
Yeah.
doesn't involve having beer.
No, it's too early
No.
for that.
No, never mind.
Well, it is your birthday.
Yeah, okay.
Yes.
Where is it?
It's over there. We got there. We got our puzzle for yesterday done, and we have puzzled through today's one as well. We got the right answer. It just wasn't obvious what the answer meant. We needed some help translating that. But once we got there, it was like, aha, aha. So yes, we're on to day 11 now. So I have got a day of filming ahead of me. I need to film my Make 9 review, which I'm hoping to get up this afternoon for 5 o'clock for this evening's video. Then I am going to film my Make 9 plans for next year, and I don't know if that's going to be tomorrow's video or the other one that I'm hoping to maybe do is the Halston skirt. I think that would be more interesting rather than 2 Make 9 ones together. But yeah, we're going out for dinner tonight because it's Dad's birthday today. We will have told you that when we do the calendars, when Mum gets home from having her hair did. I need to get on and get the Make 9 review filmed because that needs to be edited and up for this afternoon. Well, this 5 o'clock. This is what I'm aiming for. Probably won't happen for a while. Ooh, did anyone else see Bianca from the Closet Historian's new lookbook? Oh gosh, what's it called? I've watched it like 3 times. It's amazing. What is it called? Synapse. Synapse. It's really good. If you do struggle with flashing lights and stuff, just skip to 3.5. She's put a timestamp in it for you so you can skip ahead past all the flashing lights and editing that she's done at the beginning. But if you can watch that kind of thing, it's amazing. It's utterly amazing. And yeah, highly recommend. She's almost at 100,000 subscribers, 99,000 at the moment. Yeah, that's really exciting for her. Yes, fangirling again. But anyway, that's not going to get this done, so let's get this filmed, then I can get on with trying to film something else for tomorrow. No, editing first, then filming the second project for tomorrow. That's the plan. Let's do it. Yeah. Human tornado. I'm always cold, but is this excessive? I'm literally cuddling the radiator, and because this is a scoop neck dress, I went into my scarf stash to go and find something to put around my neck to keep me warm, and this was the one that matched the best. I feel this might be excessive though. This is literally the most impractical scarf because it's so slippery it won't stay attached to itself. It's also so bulky that it's really difficult to kind of like layer it under a coat, but it is very soft and very pink. So I have done the rough edit of the Make 9. I have no idea if it's going to be a good video or not. Hopefully, I think it will be. I'm having a bit of a weird day. I had a therapy session earlier today, and it's you know, like, therapy is never, again, this is prescribed by the pain clinic. Therapy is never fun, I don't think. I don't think it's meant to be fun. It's good. It is good, but it's, yeah, you have to think about things that you maybe necessarily have not been thinking or wanting to think about, and yeah, fun times. So I've got another 4 or 5 of these sessions coming up over the next month or so. So that, yeah. I keep saying fun times, not so much, but in a good way, if that makes sense. But it has kind of just put my headspace in a bit of a weird place today. Mum is still not back from the hairdresser, so we still haven't done calendars yet, so we haven't even said hello to you guys yet. But I mean, obviously you're seeing this out of order, but I am sitting here hugging this, and I kind of want to go back up to my room and get under the duvet and work up there with the cat on my lap. But that does prove quite difficult because Chiana is determined to be on my arm, not just my lap. Also, it's 22 degrees down here, and it's not, the heating's not on in the house, so it's going to be colder up there, but it will be more comfortable. I feel like I need to stay down here because we've put the heater on to heat this place up. So yeah, I've like I say, done the rough cut of the edit, so now I need to go through and drop in all the twirls and stills and clips and sound effects and close-ups and bits and pieces like that. Anyway, I just kind of wanted to show you my current situation down here, so I'm going to get on and get the rest of this edited so that I hopefully have a video that goes up tonight before we go out for Dad's birthday dinner. So now that you've enjoyed all of that, I'm going to say goodnight for you today because today has literally been spent filming and editing, and I don't think my video is going to go up on time this evening. I'm really sorry. I should have filmed it yesterday, but other stuff was happening yesterday, so there we go. Never mind. You might end up with it either on Saturday or Monday or Tuesday. I'm just it'll happen. It'll get there. It'll be fine. So yes, we're off out for birthday celebrations.
Yep.
So he's going to walk around background. Hope you've enjoyed the little bit of waffle from today, and we'll see you all tomorrow for more calendars.
Okay.
Bye.